Hello and welcome back to my cave. Today we're going to be working on box 3 of ISO Collections Porsche 917KH. First we have stage number 9, where we get the other side of the interblock and sprue cutters, because we're gonna need them. The right cylinder head is metal, while the valve covers are plastic, and we get sprue cutters, which are already dirty, like super dirty, but they have a nice spring on them. First we take the cylinder head and take this cover and making sure this way up. We're gonna put these together with 2 EP screws, and these screws are at quite an angle, so be sure to follow the screw like so. And then we take the other cover that goes like so, making sure that the details are on the ends, and that also uses 2 EP screws like so. Then we need 12 spark plugs, and I'm just using my local hardware store pliers to cut them, making sure to not cut the legs off or losing them. So next we need to put all of the spark plugs into the cylinder head, and this might take some time. And sometime later we have all 12 spark plugs in, like so. Then we take the yellow dividers and place them like so, with the rivets facing outwards, and we do the same on the other side. And I have to cover this. I did have to put some glue on it, but it will hold once it's back together. So now we take 4 of the cylinders from stage 8. They just go like so. And then we need the engine from stage 9. No, 8. Or at least we've been working on it for a while. Anyway, this goes on. Like so, I think. Oh, this goes on like so. Yep, well, like so. Zoom out a bit, and that has 2 IM screws to hold it together, like so. Then put the oil line like so, and that is stage number 9 complete. And then we have stage number 10, and here we get the top of the crankcase. There's the iconic round thingy, but first we need to make 2 alternators. We need this and inner pulley, outer pulley, and a DP screw, like so, and that just slots in the housing like so, with an EP screw on the in the back. Like so, and we need to do the same again, like so. Then we have 2 alternators. Then I take the top of the cylinder, put an inner pulley, outer pulley. These pulleys are bigger than in the alternators, and use a KM screw, like so. And then we take the alternators and line them up like so with an EP screw, like so, and do the same on the other side, also with an EP screw, like so. Then we need the oil filter from stage 8, and that goes on here like so. With an AP screw, like so. And then we take our engine and that goes on, and then we take our engine and the cover goes on like so, and with 2 BM screws, like so. And that is stage number 10 complete, looking bigger and bigger. And then we have stage number 11, where we get the other side of the engine block and some cylinders. So now we need to push the cylinders together. And mount the cylinders to the engine block with IM screws, like so. Like so. Then we put this divider together, like so, and the pins are different size. Then we put this together with 2 JM screws, like so. And that is stage number 11 complete. We're gonna put that to the side because stage number 12 is independent for now. Here we have the injector pump. Need to start this side. And this pulley with a DP screw. Like so. And take this covers and that just snaps in place. And then we take this bracket, use 2 AP screws, like so, and then we need the other half that just pushes into place, and the cover on this side. I'll just push this together, and then we need the bottom piece with an AP screw. Then we need this back cover, has two silver JP screws, like so, and then this detail has a half circle shape that just pushes in like so, and finally the back just slots on like so. Then we need to take this valve cover, need to put this pulley on the end with a DP screw, like so, and then this goes on like so with two AP screws, like so, and we put the belt over the top, like so, and one final step is to cut 12 injector nozzles from this sprue and install them on the top. Then we just need to push the non-rounded end into the pump like so. Like so. And that is stage number 12 complete, and box number 3. So at the end of box 3 we have the injector pump on its valve cover, and we have the ever-growing engine. This will probably be sitting right here, like here, and yeah, that's it for box number 3. I'll see you all next time.